UV indices will be sky high over the next several days. I want to show you this pretty cool thing. Most of us didn't see rain in East Tennessee today, but a lot in Middle Tennessee, and all these showers and storms you see today, that's this, about a day as the sun was setting just after 9 o'clock today, and you can also see a sliver of the moon up there, just a little bit of it. Right now we're at 85 in Knoxville, Maryville, 82 Loudon, 79 Kingston, very mild for 11-17 at night. And it's very muggy as well. Tonight, waking up for your Monday, we're talking about mid-70s, 75 Knoxville to Oak Ridge, 72 Wartburg. Very similar to the last 3 or 4 nights where we don't get much heat relief overnight. Other than the heat, we're talking about a pretty smooth start to your morning commute in the morning from 6 to 8 o'clock. We'll warm up at a degree or 2 per hour. Wind should be pretty light. Very limited fog, I would say, but mostly clear skies and mostly sun through tomorrow morning. The main story is going to be the heat. We do have weather aware for Monday through Wednesday because of the heat and humidity. Heat indices will be very high. 94 Knoxville, Maryville, 95 Loudon, 95 Spring City. If you don't hit the mid-90s, you'll at least be in the low 90s or close to it, but it will feel like 100 plus. We're talking 106 Knoxville, 107 Loudon, 112 Spring City, 107 from Athens, Tellico Plains, and 102 Gatlinburg. Pretty high heat. Illness potential, which just takes into account vulnerability in the population, not drinking enough water, stuff like that. So just make sure you do drink plenty of water and stay indoors as much as physically possible. We do have low-end rain chances each day just because of how high that humidity is. In each day, about a quarter to a third of us could see some shower and storm activity. Favored over the mountains and higher terrain, as has been the story over the last several days and weeks. But most of us will be pretty sunny. Again, those UV indices staying pretty high tomorrow and the next several days. But again, a shower or storm for a few of us that would drop off those temperatures for at least a few hours, but adding to the mugginess, of course. Tuesday looks like the hottest day of the week, potentially the hottest day of the year. We've hit 90. 97 is my forecast from Knoxville to Loudon, 98 Spring City, 95 Maynardville. Look at some of these heat indices. 114 Spring City, 107 Maynardville, 102 Gatlinburg, 108 in Knoxville. So this black area, that's extreme heat illness potential. Definitely going to be the day to stay inside if at all possible again. And yet again, we do have very high humidity, meaning at least some scattered storm activities. You saw a few blips come across, but then after that, we dry out after sundown, and most of us will be dry over the next several days. Again, less than a third of us at most seeing these showers and storms. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, weather aware for heat indices 105 to 110. Still hot Thursday, not quite as hot. Friday, same story, not as hot. This is the thickness throughout the atmosphere, so the thicker the column of air, the more molecules, that means more heat. It's kind of like if you leave a water bottle in your car and it expands, more heat, it holds more air. More air is more heat. So these brighter colors is the thicker air, meaning hotter temperatures. We're still going to be hot. The air is still going to be thick, but you notice the stationary boundary or cold front come through. Some of those colors get a little less bright, meaning a little bit cooler in our upper atmosphere. It also means rain chances come back Thursday, Friday, through the weekend. We're talking about half of us or so seeing rain the next 3 days. Make sure you are staying weather aware because it is going to be some of the hottest temperatures of the season, but then next weekend can't come soon enough.
Probably just stay inside.